I'd like to take an opportunity to make a short Schoology video that walks you through some of the tools that you have as a parent to get notifications as well as view all of your students in one spot. Once you log in, you're going to see your name here at the top. This is a demo account that was created so that we could make this video. You can see that as a parent, I have 2 students at the high school. If you are interested in adding elementary students, junior high students, you can simply add a child by entering in their specific code, which would then link their account to yours. Also in your profile, that's all parent information. What you're most interested in is settings. And here with settings, you have the ability to put in an email address. If you do change that, make sure you let the technology department know. You can change your password, link accounts, merge accounts, and most importantly, set up your notifications. So you are able to receive emails on any of these things that might be happening here on Schoology. Parents will ask how they can get notifications from their students' activity. And in order to set that up, you would click on the student account and student settings. Once here, you click on notifications and you're actually able to set up daily or weekly emails at a certain time at your convenience. Also the option to add an email notification when due dates have passed. This is a very helpful tool for parents who want to stay on top of assignments and help their students through all of their coursework. You would have to set this up individually for each student. Again, going to the student's settings and clicking on the notifications to receive separate emails for each student. Very important tool for parents to have. If you have any questions, I encourage you to reach out to the technology department and any of the helpful links that are posted on our website.